Machines connected everywhere. Different types, different operators, different applications. Behind every milestone lies complexity. Machines on the ground, costs adding up. Sustainability ambitions. Keeping workers safe. Various platforms make it harder to act. Then everything changes. One platform connected. One clear view of everything. The new JCB LiveLink, built to turn information into intelligence. Alerts become action. Downtime becomes uptime. With the operator app, risk becomes safety. Data becomes decisions that matter. Create dashboards from scratch in just a few clicks. Add charts, maps, and key metrics to craft a personalised overview of your fleet. LiveLink remote features allow you to adjust machine settings at the touch of a button, monitor tyre pressure in real time, and enhance security with pin-protected access. Create virtual boundaries around your sites and assets, allowing you to build securely and with confidence. Now, every machine is seen. Every person is visible. Every site protected. Your entire mixed fleet connected in one place. Because when you can see more, you can do more. Move faster, work smarter, build with confidence. JCB LiveLink gives fleet managers and owner-operators the power to unlock efficiency savings, improve safety, and deliver sustainable projects.